Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna show you how to install WordPress in your local computer by using Wampserver. Okay, thank you. To install WordPress locally, you need Wampserver in your local machine. So you have to install Wampserver before installing WordPress in your local machine. And if you don't know how to install Wampserver, please follow my previous video where I have shown you a step-by-step process and the local repository, which is the pre-requirement to install Wampserver and run it correctly and accurately. Thank you. Let's go on our WordPress installation process. First of all, you have to go to the browser and put download WordPress. After writing this, search in here and you will get this website automatically. This one, press this one, and you will get it here. This is the WordPress worthy website. This is the page, and in the below section you will get download WordPress. Okay, and just wait until the download process finish, and after completing this, after completing the download, we will get the WordPress repository in our download folder. Now it's time to install WordPress. Just cut the WordPress zip file and make a new folder. Ctrl+Shift+N WP, okay, and put it move. After moving this, just right button on here and extract here on the repository. After completing the whole extraction process, you will get the WordPress repository inside a folder. Now the extraction is completed. Now it's time to work. Just follow my step. Just cut the WordPress folder and go to your my computer, this PC, C drive, and Wampserver. This is the Wampserver location. After installing the Wampserver, you will get this repository, and then go www directory and then just paste the whole WordPress folder in here. Now after moving this, copying this, press F2 and rename it as you would like to your own project name. This time I was using phpmy blog. Okay, and this is the whole WordPress repository. Now time to run Wampserver, because whole WordPress will run as a server by using the Wampserver in my local machine. So after double clicking on that, you will get the red button. This means Wampserver is starting, and the pop-up is running up. This means Wampserver start process expanding or running. After just wait until the red become green. When the icon become green, the Wampserver icon become green. Now it's green. Boom. Wampserver is running correctly. Now it's time to go localhost. Localhost. Press localhost. This is your Wampserver is running perfectly, and to install Wordpress, you will have to create your database first. Database is the file where all the repositories backhand data will be saved. So to install database, just go on here, phpmy admin, press it at localhost phpmy admin. You can also write that. Just wait until the phpmy admin database will come. Now this is the portal. When you, as I am using this for a long time, so it's automatically set my root username and password is blank. Whenever you are opening this first time, just put root. Always phpmy admin username is root and password is blank. Just go. Now the phpmy admin portal is open. This is the whole database name list and database system, and press database. Now we'll have to create a database where your WordPress file backend repository will be saved. So before creating a database, just I am showing this is my WordPress repository. For the sake of our tutorial, I am using the same name, WP blog, as same as my website name, and database I am using the same. You can use whatever you like, and when you are working in a real-time project, just follow the encrypted database name, and you can follow also online how to write database name. Okay, create database has been created. Just wait. This one. Now after creating the database, this is our next step, that to install WordPress in local server. Now as we have already opened localhost, just press this one and the name of my blog, what I have put it, this one. Copy this one and just press this one and go. Press enter. Wait until the WordPress installation pop-up will come. Boom, boom. The WordPress installation setup config PHP already has come. Now just select your languages and continue. Now welcome to our WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information to the database. You will need to know the following item before database name: the database username, password, host, and table prefix. We have already created the database for the credentiality. Let's go put the database name. What the database we have created for this WordPress? WP my blog. I am copying this one and just press this one. What is our username? Username is root, as same as phpadmin name. Okay, and password is blank, and just go submit. Alright, Sparky, you made it, and through this part of the installation, WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time to go now. Just press run installation. Now welcome. Information needed. Welcome to the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. Now for that, to proceed the next step, step of WordPress, you need some information, credentiality for your website. So I'm pressing the same as my blog username is, I'm pressing Sam2212. You can press whatever you like, and password just I'm pressing the same of my username as set, and just configure weak confirm, use the weak password. You can write whatever you like. Okay, just keep in your mind with this username and password is needed for to log in your WordPress dashboard. And email, I'm using my email, you can use in your own credentiality. Press install WordPress. Now the WordPress final step installation is done. Success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. And to log in my dashboard, just press login. I have just made my username and password set, just keep in mind and remember, and you can also, it's your own choice. I'm just pressing save on and login. Now the WordPress is logging in WordPress internal dashboard. This is called WordPress dashboard. This is our new installation of WordPress. Okay, and this is my Gravatar account name. Okay, just press visit site. This is our site, plain and fresh WordPress installation has been done. Thank you. In the next lecture we will show you how to manage and maintain the WordPress dashboard, and step by step we will let you know how to install theme, plugin, configure and many more things. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.